How to fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. This tutorial will guide you through the process of fixing GPU crashes while playing Marvel Rivals on PC. If you've been experiencing unexpected crashes during gameplay, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. I have no app for Marvel Rivals as of right now since my PC does not support the game, but I can still guide you by thinking of it as the Marvel Rivals app. So all you have to do first is right-click the Marvel Rivals app. The menu appears. Just click the Run as Administrator option to run the Marvel Rivals app as the administrator. If the problems do not solve, let's go to the Steam app. While in the Steam app, click the Library tab at the top of the screen beside the Store tab. While we are in the Library tab, right-click the Marvel Rivals game to make the menu appear. The menu appears. Just click the Properties option to open the Properties window. A new mini window appeared. Just click the Installed Files tab to open the Installed Files tab. While in the Installed Files tab, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button to start the process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve GPU crashes in Marvel Rivals. Start with updating your graphics drivers, adjust the graphics settings, verify game files, check system requirements, and disable any unnecessary background applications. If issues persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's official support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!